Hello students, it is time to talk about our assignments. So on the third day of having a set of chapters, you will have an assignment to do. That assignment will be normally the same few things plus something different. So your page should look kind of like the page that I have back here. It will tell you, I'll have this video link up and where it says instructions, and you have 3 things to do. Number 1, give me a 3-sentence recap. Keep it on a sheet of paper because you're going to need it. That way you can answer questions as a quiz after the end of the book. A plot map, which I'm going to show you here in just a second, and some extra assignment. That third thing will change depending on the chapter. So when you click on the link, make sure you're logged in. You'll have an assignment here to go find. It'll tell you we're not going to be doing a timeline. We're not going to be doing a character map. I will keep track of those things for you. We are going to have an assignment linked. So the very first assignment that you have is draw and label a picture all about the main setting. Then you're going to write a short paragraph, and that paragraph is what you're going to turn in about what you drew. So that is an assignment for you. Now the plot map and the other assignment, which was the 3-sentence recap, I'm going to be using those for the end of the unit book. So please do not skip out on those things. Just because I'm not collecting them does not mean anything. At the end of the book study, I am going to ask you to take a picture of your plot map. Now, it might look a little crazy. You might have to redo it 1 or 2 times because it's going to be large. So let me show you what my plot map actually looks like. Pew! So here's my paper, and I'm going to move some things around so you can see. I am using a piece of white paper. You can use line paper, 100% up to you. Now I'm also going to be using a marker so you guys can see, but I suggest using pencil. So a plot map is the big mountain thing that you guys have seen before. So we start out at the bottom of the mountain, we work our way up to the top of the mountain, we work our way down from the mountain, and then we're done on the other side. So your plot map, and I'll have a picture for you, you're going to start off with the very beginning, which is your exposition, I believe. So that is your setting, your characters, and just like background info. So I'm going to put my setting, just the word setting. You guys will actually be writing out setting, my character, my characters, and just like a little brief, like maybe 1-sentence, 2-sentence thing. Now as you go up the mountain, right, you're going to need to have something for chapters 1 through 4. I suggest maybe using your 3-sentence summaries and just writing them small here. So we'll have chapters 1 through 4, we have 5 through 8, we have 9 through 12, we have 13 through 16, we have 17 through 20, we have, what's after that, 21 through 24, and 25 through 30. Now, 1 or 2 of these might be after this, so I'm actually going to erase some of them. I have a feeling the climax is going to happen between those 2. So you can space this out. We have climax, which is our big moment where everything kind of leads up to this one moment. And then this is our falling action. This is kind of like where we wrap up things. This might be 1 or 2 chapters. And then we have our conclusion. What is the end result that happened? So this will have sentences within here, okay? If you make one, and let's say that you are a big writer like me, you might want to make 2. So you might want to take a piece of paper and go up to the corner, and this is where you will write your answers, and maybe you have another piece of paper that you put up in the corner and you just keep going to the top. Then you do your downward. That's totally okay. however you want to do it. Just keep in mind, I might have you take a picture of these for some extra credit. That might be very helpful for you to have. Alright, so that is what you will be doing. So again, the 3 things that you're going to be doing. Number 1, a 3-sentence recap that you can use on your plot map. Alright, so that is the very first thing. The second thing is the plot map. The third thing is some sort of assignment will be posted, and yes, you must turn it in to me. I will be grading these assignments, okay? So please make sure if you have any questions at all, you send me a message immediately. Do not wait until Friday. I am here for you and anything you may need. And with that, I am done for the day and I am out. Happy reading.